Young Light is an OEM and ODM Taiwanese supplier established in 1999. We have acquired ISO 9001-14001 certification in 2000. We have 5 plants located in the middle of Taiwan, and our precisely thermostatical-controlled, quality-controlled laboratory are equipped with the most advanced machine to test hardware's properties. We can guarantee that we are 100% made in Taiwan. Passions, persistence, progress, and patents are our business policy, and customer certification is our philosophy. We always face a new challenge and help our clients to overcome the difficulties. Receiving the good response from the client is our best encouragement. When we get the order, we will make the quality controls plan immediately to ensure the product's qualities aligns with the standard, from purchasing, production planning, outsourcing, assembling, and packing, to through the final product inspection. We ensure the products can deliver it to the clients on time. We have started our business in safety equipment, automotive parts, marine hardware parts since 1999, but we are not limited to specific industry. In order to provide all-in-one service, we can not only provide aluminum forging, stamping, laser cutting, 3 to 5x CNC machining, and heat treatment, but also plans to develop iron forging plant in the future. We are OEMs for many well-known sport and automobile brands. Young Light has a powerful management team which can monitor and control every processing flow by ERP systems. With the long-term OEMs and ODMs experience in different industries, it enables us to have tons of experience on production and design capabilities, and that is what customers are looking for. The most important part of the good is the quality issue. We focus on straight QC, 100% expectation, and provide high-quality goods to clients. Sometimes the lead time is too long to supply. We have to shorten the lead time, so we build forging plant, stamping plant, CNC machining plant, heat treatment plant, and assembling and packing plant. Poor communications can easily lead to misunderstandings and mistakes. Our sales team has a responsible attitude, and we frequently update production progress and can arrange weekly progress report meeting to help client understand production progress at any time. We could provide metals processing service and the design due to the fact that we had 40 engineers in R&D team. Moreover, all-in-one production lines enables the accuracy of the delivery time or even earliest delivery. Furthermore, we can provide multiple inspections report, such as tensile test, impact test, thickness test, salt spray test, and so on to meet clients' requirements. We focus on the Europeans and Americans markets, providing high-quality precision parts and having a good after-service attitude. Young Light's goal is to become a fully integrated manufacturing service provider. If you have any interest in us, welcome to our website, and we have someone to serve you.